Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look together at this MaxxAir standard RV and trailer roof vent cover. Now this roof vent cover is for your RV or your camper, and this is going to let you open the vent and operate the fan in any weather. This is also going to help keep rainwater from entering or damaging the interior of your RV. And it's also going to help prevent any heat buildup. Now this is designed to fit over most standard 14-inch by 14-inch roof vents. And as you've already seen, this does feature this sleek aerodynamic design. So this is going to reduce wind resistance. This is made here in the USA of a durable, high-density polyethylene construction. And of course, you see this is in black. We do have other color options available. Some of these come in a translucent color, others in a white color. So if you're not looking for black, but maybe another lighter color, check out those other options that we carry here at etrailer.com. This is also UV resistant. The angled louvers on the back of the cover here is going to allow smoke, odors, and stale air to readily and easily escape. And as you can see here on the corner of my table, this does feature a zero leak mounting system that's going to prevent leaks by eliminating the need to drill into the roof of your RV or trailer. This is going to mount on the frame of your roof vent, and drilling may be required into that frame. But this does include all the hardware that you're going to need for installation, along with a set of instructions to guide you through that installation process. Now, let me go ahead and go over some measurements with you just so you can be confident that this is going to work for your particular setup. I want to begin by measuring the overall length, and basically I'm going to be measuring that from end to end. And so as I hope you can see there, we're sitting right at 20 inches long end to end. And then looking at the width, again, end to end, lining that up there for you, making sure it's straight. We're sitting right at 19 inches wide. And then looking at the overall height, let me lay this back down. And I'm going to be measuring that height at the tallest point. And so my ruler might be a little bit easier to show this particular measurement. So overall height, we are sitting right at 9.5 inches tall. The inside dimensions obviously will be a little bit less than that. So inside dimensions, the length is going to be about 19 inches long. The width is going to be about 17 inches wide. And then the inside height is going to be about 9 inches tall based on the measurements that I took earlier. The vent dimensions, let me turn this around so you can see. Let me see if I can line up my tape measure so you can see. At the widest point here, we are sitting pretty close to right at about 15 and a half inches or so at the widest point. And then at the tallest point, again, I'm just measuring those vents. We're sitting at about 9 inches tall on those vent dimensions. Now let's take a look at the measurements of our mounting holes. So I'm going to set this up here again, just like that. Retrieve my ruler. And so when we are talking about our mounting holes, the first measurement I'm going to take is going to be from the outer mounting hole to the other outer mounting hole on this side. And of course, that's going to be the same for this side, the opposite side as well. So lining up my ruler here, on center, that measurement is going to be right at 11.5 inches. Actually, let me change that for you. I'm going to call that 11.75 inches. So outer to outer, our mounting holes measure 11.75 inches. And then inner hole to inner hole on center, looks like we are sitting right at 9.3 inches. And then taking a look at those mounting holes going across, and of course all of those are going to measure the same. On center, we're sitting right at 18 inches. Now some vents may not fully open when you use this vent cover. But if it's open 50% or more, the vent will still achieve that maximum airflow that you're looking for. And this vent cover should not be used with high-powered ventilator fans. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that our time together was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.